Hi, I'm Sarab Kapoor. I'm a chef, author and a culinary consultant. Today I'll be making an upma, but upma with a little twist. It's with beetroot. So let's make beetroot upma. So for this what we need is beetroot. What I've done is boiled beetroot and blended it into a puree. Shall we get started? So I'm going to heat some ghee, add mustard seeds. As the mustard seeds are spluttering, I'll add in my curry leaves, chopped onion, some ginger, chopped green chilies. Yeah, I've added chopped green chilies. Let's saute it. We add in our roasted semolina, coconut milk, some hot water, our beetroot puree. Now you just have to, you could pressure cook the beetroot, it's easier. Peel and blend. There's no need to add water, it has its own moisture. Salt, a little bit of lime juice. And just cook it till it all comes together. So we've got a nice consistency, a little thicker than porridge. Here we go, our upma is ready and let's plate it. You can present it in different ways. I'm putting this in a mold. You can dress it up with some roasted or fried cashew nuts, some curry leaves. Healthy, tasty and super easy to make beetroot upma. Come back for some more interesting vegan and vegetarian recipes. This is Chef Sarab Kapoor. See you soon.